Welcome to my channel everyone. In today's video we will see what is Agile, what is Scrum Framework and different Scrum Roles. So let's see what is Agile. Agile is an iterative approach to project management and software development that helps teams deliver value to their customers faster. Instead of betting everything on a big launch, an agile team delivers works in small but consumable increments. Agile is a time-boxed iterative method to software delivery that aims to provide software gradually throughout the project rather than all at once near the end. It works by breaking projects down into little bit of users functionality called user stories, prioritizing them and then continuously delivering them in short 2-week cycles called iterations. It is a set of values and principles designed to handle projects with changing requirements and deliver value both early and frequently in project's timeline. There are several different frameworks used to apply Agile principles. Frameworks are methods for applying the principles of Agile to a project. There are many different Agile frameworks available. We have included 6 of the most popular Agile frameworks. Those are Scrum, XP, DSTM, Crystal, FDD, Feature Driven Development, and Kanban. Let us see in details about Scrum Framework. This is the widely used framework for Agile. Scrum is one of the most popular Agile frameworks out there. So Scrum is a framework which is used by product development teams to self-organize to solve complex and adaptive problems. Basically to build complex products. It is lightweight framework and it is simple to understand. The Scrum framework is fairly simple, being made up of Scrum team consisting of product owner, Scrum Master, and developers, each of which have specific accountabilities. Let's learn more about the Scrum roles in depth. Scrum team has 3 roles: product owner, Scrum Master, and the development team. Let's look at the product owner in more depth. Product owner defines goals and create vision for development project, describes how the product should look like and what features should be included. Product owner communicate with external stakeholders and translate their needs to the team. He is the one who brings the voice of the customer to the team. Product owner is sole responsible person for managing the product backlog. He manages the product backlog and ensures that everyone knows what is in it and what the priorities are. He should be empowered to take decisions on what should be added or not added to the product to be able to maximize value delivered by team. Also should be able to work with the team and stakeholders and also sometimes say no to the stakeholders. A great product owner knows how and when to say no if what they are asking is not getting more value to the customers. Product owners should be knowledgeable to be able to make decisions. The product owner must be qualified and have in-depth understanding of business, customers, and the market. Product owners should be available to the team and stakeholders to answer the questions or requirements when needed. Let's see more about Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is a servant leader helping the rest of the Scrum team follow their process. Scrum Master is a Scrum team member who is responsible for an effective and productive working environment and guiding others to understand Scrum values, principles, and practices. A Scrum Master is not typically a manager or lead, but he is an influential leader and coach who does not direct command and control. The Scrum Master serves the Scrum team in several ways, helping the Scrum team focus on creating high-value increments, Coaching the team members in self-management, so wherever it is possible, the team should resolve impediments. Coaching the team on Scrum principles and best practices. He may facilitate meetings and helps keep the Scrum team on track, productive, and growing. He facilitates the Scrum events and ensures that the meetings are time-boxed. Scrum Master protects the team from inside or outside distractions. According to the Scrum Guide, one of the Scrum Master's service to the development team is removing impediments to the development team's progress. Often, team members remove their own impediments. Sometimes, impediments are beyond the ability of the team to remove. In that case, the Scrum Master may have to get support and remove the impediments. Scrum Master helps in improving the team dynamics. Let's look at the development team in more depth. Development team is a collection of individuals working together to develop and deliver the requested product. The development team comprises of cross-functional members who are capable of achieving the sprint goals. This could include architects, programmers, test engineers, release and build engineers, and technical writers. The development team includes all the expertise necessary to deliver the potentially shippable product each sprint. The development team is self-organizing with a very high degree of autonomy and accountability. The development team size should be chosen wisely as it can directly hamper the productivity of the team, thereby impacting the product delivery. The development team should not be very large as it might require a lot of coordination among the team members. However, for a very small team, it would be very difficult to have all the skills required to deliver an increment. Thus, an optimal number should be between 3 to 9 members. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. To get all the notifications from this channel, don't forget to click on the bell icon.